Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Cadillac. First, ensure your key fob is within a range of about 200 feet from your vehicle. Next, confirm that all doors, the hood, and the trunk are completely closed and latched. These are crucial initial steps to ensure the remote start system functions correctly and safely. Without these conditions met, the system will not engage, preventing your car from starting remotely. To begin the remote start process, first press and release the lock button on your key fob. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for approximately 4 seconds. You'll notice the parking lamps flash, indicating the system is engaging. Shortly after, the engine will start, and the climate control system will activate based on its last settings. This sequence ensures a successful remote start. Once remotely started, your Cadillac's engine will run for 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can extend this by repeating the remote start process, adding another 10 minutes for a total of 20 minutes. Remember, the remote start feature will not activate if your check engine light is illuminated or if there's low fuel. Also, pressing the brake pedal will turn off the engine. After remotely starting your vehicle, unlock the doors using your key fob or by pressing the button on the door handle. Once inside, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. This action fully engages the vehicle's systems and allows you to shift out of park. You are now ready to drive your Cadillac, enjoying the comfort of a preconditioned cabin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.